We'll guide you through how to enable dark mode in VS Code. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your desktop. Once it's up, navigate to the top menu and click on File. From there, select Preferences, and then click on Color Theme. This will open up a list of available themes. You can scroll through the options, but for dark mode, look for themes with dark in their names. The most popular one is Dark Plus, Default Dark. Click on it, and you'll see the entire interface switch to a sleek dark theme, which is much easier on the eyes, especially during long coding sessions. If you want to explore more, you can go to the Extensions view by clicking on the Extensions icon in the activity bar on the side of the window. Search for themes, and you'll discover a variety of third-party dark themes that you can install for even more customization. This is helpful if you want a different color palette or a specific aesthetic. Once you find a theme you like, click Install, and then activate it by following the same steps as before, going to Preferences, and then Color Theme. Remember, you can always switch back to a different theme if you change your mind, so feel free to experiment. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.